Yo, hey, yo, what's up on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this Kemei with the model number 1757, and it's a hair trimmer. So, stay tuned. So, as you can see, this is the box. It's a small box, and it's a small trimmer also. Into the specs of this hair trimmer. This trimmer got 1500 milliamp battery, 10 watts, 1.5 hours charging time, and 210 minutes operating time, which is very, very good. Okay. And nothing else really special written here. So now, let's make the unboxing. Alright. So now, let's open it up and so this is it. So this is the charging cable, and it's a USB Type-C. 3 guide combs, little brush, and the manual. So this is the charging port, USB Type-C. Got 10 watts, but somehow it's a lot. 10 watts. I don't really believe on these 10 watts. Okay, the blade got a Kemei logo on it. And it's all plastic, and it's a skeleton hair trimmer, power button, and this is it. So let's make an RPM test. RPM. Okay, and Walty white blade doesn't fit. Monster Clippers blade doesn't fit, and Stylecraft blade doesn't fit on this one. Maybe the cutter blade will fit. I mean, the wall cutter blade or Monster Clippers or Stylecraft cutter blade will fit, I guess so. But the steel blade, no. That's really a bad thing. So now, Of course, you can zero gap the blade. So got 7,000 RPM. Got 7,000 RPM, which is good. And it's the same motor that goes on what's the name again? Slimline Pro Li. It's the same motor, but the shaft is different. So and RPM test without the blade. I almost forgot. So, is it a good trimmer or not? That's the big question. For me, it's not a good trimmer simply because the blade is not sharp enough, and it would have been a good trimmer if maybe you can change the blade for an American blade like Wall or Stylecraft Gamma or Monster Clippers blade. But this blade, it's a China blade. I guess it's T9, and it's not sharp enough. If you have the means to sharpen this blade, then it's a good trimmer. So since no blade fits on it, then for me it's not a good trimmer. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. The RPM is okay. But since you can't change the blade, then it's not that okay. Oh, okay. So that's it, and peace, man. All right.